Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently said that India is still in a very stable situation in the battle against COVID-19 in comparison to other countries since the coronavirus outbreak. As the total number of coronavirus cases crossed 5 lakh this week, we bring you a report from the Northeast region.
In the Northeast region, Assam has the highest number of COVID-19 positive cases. Assam crossed 8,000 this week. Following the spike in COVID-19 positive cases, a 14-day lockdown was imposed in Guwahati. The Assam government has established facilities for swab collections in 31 COVID-19 care centers and 12 hospitals across Guwahati. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma urged people to come forward and get tested if they see any symptoms.
अभी तो गुवाहाटी सिटी में पूरा लॉकडाउन हो रहा है और आदमी भी ये मान रहा है, कोई भी आदमी बाहर नहीं निकला है। जो इम्पोर्टेंट आदमी है वो लोग आ रहा है, पूरा चेक कर रहा है। जो इमरजेंसी है वो लोग को जाने दिया है और जिसका इमरजेंसी नहीं है उसको वापस भेज दिया है। पायलट करने से पूरा एक्शन होगा। हमारा जो प्रशासन का जो हमारा सीनियर ऑफिसर बोल दिया, अगर कोई पायलट करेगा उसका ऊपर पूरा कार्रवाई करेगा।
Tripura government too announced a one-day lockdown throughout the state on July 5th. The seminar aimed to create awareness and train National Service Scheme volunteers of the importance of cleanliness and various ways to protect oneself from the coronavirus, besides distribution of masks, sanitizers and gloves. The organizers hope that the NSS volunteers would act as master trainers and multipliers to spread what they have learned in the seminar.
By this seminar, we are trying to give a message, strong message to the people of the NSS, through the NSS volunteers, to the students of the every school and colleges, every family members, that we have to maintain the social distance, we have to wear the mask, we have to strengthen the immune power. So these are the information we are trying to send to the common people, each and every section of the society.
After the first COVID-19 positive case in Manipur on March 23rd, the number of cases crossed 1,000 this week. To strengthen the nursing services amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences is recruiting medical staff who return from other states.
JNIMS, being the only state medical college, has been entrusted the work of managing 100 plus 50, 150 beds. Necessarily, we require more manpower, nurses, sweepers, and attendants. And hence, we, after given permission by the government of Manipur, we managed to take 28 plus 50 to 80 nurses on contract basis for a period of 6 months.
Over 600 nurses have applied for recruitment at JNIMS.
मैं अभी कुछ नहीं कर रही, पहले दिल्ली में काम करती थी लोकनायक हॉस्पिटल में, अभी फिलहाल कुछ नहीं कर रही। ये जो जेनिम्स का स्टाफ नर्स का वैकेंसी निकल रहा है ना, 28 वैकेंसी है, उसका फॉर्म सबमिट करने आई हूँ।
Nagaland COVID-19 tally rose to 400 this week. Nagaland police headed by T. John Longkumer converted the Ganesh Nagar industrial estate in Dimapur to a quarantine center for returnees, making it the largest quarantine center in the state with an accommodation capacity of 1,070 people.
The working detail had about 250 Jawans working in shifts, working around the clock. And then for the security and the stuffing and all that, the office, getting the office ready and all that. So we had about 150 of them. One STF company plus about 50 staffers.
All the positive persons are receiving medical care center at the designated COVID-19 hospitals. The test is being done at the BSL-3 lab at the Nago Hospital Authority, Kohima. In Arunachal Pradesh, 4 military personnel were found positive for COVID-19 from West Kameng recently, taking the total tally to 191 as on June 30, informed health authorities. As of June 30, Sikkim crossed 80 COVID-19 cases, whereas in Mizoram, More than 80% of COVID-19 infected patients have recovered from the deadly virus in barely 2 months, according to health officials. With 50 plus COVID-19 cases, Meghalaya has the lowest COVID-19 cases in the northeast states. The state has been able to keep the active count in the state low. Officials said that there are strict restrictions on interstate movement of people, especially to Assam, as the neighboring state has seen a sudden spike in cases. It is also mandatory for all returnees to go for institutional quarantine after coming back to Meghalaya. The Meghalaya frontier of the Border Security Force is dealing with 14 positive cases, out of which 7 have recovered. The Deputy Inspector General and PRO BSF UK Nayal said that the frontier has 25 quarantine centers and all care is being taken to contain the spread. Out of the 14, 10 samples were tested in Guwahati Transit Camp before the personnel or BSF returnee was brought to their headquarters and put under quarantine.